Joining us is Summer Mazer, who is with the ONLA, or the Oklahoma Nursery and Landscape Association. And Summer, let's talk about ONLA. It's a big group of very prominent people within the horticulture industry.
Absolutely. ONLA has been around for almost 100 years. And now today, we encompass the entire green industry. So anyone from a grower like Sedan to somebody who's in lawn care or irrigation, we hope that they become a member of the Oklahoma Nursery and Landscape Association.
Right, and I absolutely love coming to these different field days and of course the final ONLA conference because it's just such great networking.
Absolutely.
And I learned so much about the industry, from potting soil to new plants that are coming out,
Yes,
to seeds being produced and things like that. So
yeah, absolutely. They're my favorite times of the year for sure.
So if you didn't make it to Sedan Floral, this is just the beginning of several different field days ONLA is offering, correct?
Yes, that's so true. Okay, so we have quite a few events this summer. We'll be at Taggart's Garden Center. We'll also be at Sooner Plant Farm. And then we'll also be at Total Environment Greenstock Nurseries.
Okay, so again, it's kind of spreading around the state to get different audiences and also kind of showcasing the different areas of the horticulture industry.
Yeah,
with that
absolutely.
too.
Hopefully, because we have them kind of spread out around the state, it'll invite more people to come, no matter where you live.
Okay, and I know one of the questions is like, well, this seems to be industry focused, which the education sort of is, but is anyone welcome that has master gardeners?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We love it when master gardeners come. Even if you love gardening, please come. There's always something new to learn, and we'd love to have you.
Very good. And finally, the capstone of the year is the ONLA conference. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yes, Oklahoma Grows 2025 will be November 5th through the 7th.
Okay.
It'll be at the Grand Casino in Shawnee.
Excellent.
And it'll be a 2-day event like usual. We'll have plenty of education, lots of vendors, and we encourage everybody to come.
Okay, and it's always a good event just to network and kind of learn so much from everyone else, and a good time.
Yeah, for sure.
It feels a little bit like a family reunion sometimes.
It does, yeah. A lot of people know everybody, and so welcoming too, if you haven't been. So.
And I know there is a registration and a fee for Oklahoma Grows, the conference, but what about these other field days?
Yes, these field days are free for anybody.
Okay.
We'll probably do some registration right before each one, so just check back on our website, and we'll have that information.
Okay, mainly for head counts and that sort of stuff,
absolutely,
right? Okay, all right. So your website is the best place to get all of this information as we continue through.
For sure.
Thank you so much, Summer.
Oh, thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.